Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome to the lecture of Numbers in Words. I am your teacher of mathematics. Today we are going to learn spellings of numbers from 81 to 160. These are the spellings which we are going to revise first. But who is he? He is Ali and he is here to help you. Ali, are you ready to let them revise? Very nice. Let's start. 1010 TEN 2020 TWEN TY20 3030 THIR TY30 4040 FOR TY40 5050 FIF TY50 6060 SIX TY60 7070 SEVEN TY70 8080 EIGH TY80 9090 NINE TY90. Very nice, Ali. Thank you so much. So now let's start from 81. Do you know the spelling of 80? Very nice. EIGHTY 80. Then you're going to put dash and ONE 1. Similarly, you are going to write 82, 83, 84. You already know the spelling of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you just have revised the spelling of 80. So can you write all from 81 to 89? Very nice. Now let's learn the spelling of 90. 9090. NINETY 90. Very good. If you feel that you don't remember any previous spelling, you can go back to the video number 1 of Numbers in Words. Now let's start from 91. NINETY 90. ONE 1. 91. Same. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. Can you see that these all are two-digit numbers? So we are going to write them under ones and tens. But what comes after 99? Do you know that? Let's find it out. It is 100. Which number is it? It is 100 and it is three-digit number. So now we are going to learn about three-digit numbers. One zero zero is 100. We are going to write it under 0 under ones, another 0 under tens, and 1 under hundreds. Because it is a three-digit number, so we have introduced ones, tens, and hundred. Let's learn the spelling of 100. You already know the spelling of 1, O-N-E, 1. But do you know the spelling of 100? Let's learn it. HUNDRED. 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 Now, what comes after 100? It is 101. So when we are writing after 100, how we are going to write it? ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and ONE1, 101. We are going to introduce and between 100 and 1. So what comes after 101? 102. So you have to make sure that you write under place values. 2 under ones, 0 under tens, and 1 under hundreds. And then you need to put a sign of equals to. And then you can write the spelling. 102. Similarly, 103. You already know the spellings from 1 to 9. And now you just have learned spelling of 100. So I think you are capable of writing 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. Very nice. So, are you ready to move on? Let's move on. Now we are going to learn spellings from 111 to 120. Do you remember the spellings of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20? Very good. So it's not a big deal then. Let's start. 111. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and ELEVEN 11. Very nice. Then comes up 112. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and TWELVE 12. 112. You are already aware of the teen family. So now it is 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and finally 120. Very nice. You are such a smart student. That's why you are learning very fast. Now let's start from 121. This is special. Why? Because it has 121 and can you notice any difference in the writing? What we have added more? It is this dash which you are going to put between 21 as I have already told you in the previous video. So let's revise the spelling. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and TWENTY 20 ONE1. Very nice. Similarly, you are going to write all from 122 to 129. Don't forget to put equals to sign and dashes between the numbers. And don't forget to write the numbers under their place values. Very good. So what comes after 129? 129 and then 130. Very nice. It is 130. Learn the spellings with me. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and THIRTY 30, 130. Very nice. Uh-oh, Ali, why are you back? Oh, so he has a question. Can you tell Ali how do you spell 127? That is 127. Think about it. Take your time. Very nice. Let's see the answer. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and TWENTY 20, and then 7, SEVEN 7. Very nice. Now let's start from 131 to 140. Now we have just changed 3, like 30. Last time we were doing over here 20. So it is ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and THIR 30, and ONE 1. So it is 131. It is similar to the one we have done previously. So can you write the spelling of 34? THIRTY 30, FOUR 4. Very nice. It is similar. Now we are just adding 100 and. So it is 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, and then comes up 140. If you feel difficulty in any spelling, you can pause the video. Let's move on. Now it is time to learn spellings from 141 to 150. 141, 141. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and FORTY 40, and ONE 1, 141. In the similar way, you are going to write all the spellings: 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149. What comes after 149? It is 150. So let's learn the spellings. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and FIFTY 50. Very nice. Let's move on. Here comes from 151 to 160. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and FIFTY 50, and then ONE 1. It is 151. Can you write the spellings of 155? Think about it. Very nice. Oh, you can also see from the video. So it's ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and FIFTY 50, and FIVE 5, 155. Now let's read all the spellings very quickly. O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D red, A-N-D-N, F-I-F-T-Y 50, T-W-O-2. Now I want you all to sing all these spellings by yourself by pausing this video. 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, and 160. O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, A-N-D-N, S-I-X-T-Y 60, 160. You have to make sure you write all the numbers under their correct place value, put the sign of equals to, and then write in the proper format with correct spellings. Take as much time as you want in learning the spellings. Now let's move on. Uh-oh, Ali is back again. What do you want, Ali? Okay, so now Ali wants to know how to write numbers in words in a notebook. Let's learn it. First of all, draw margin lines on both sides of paper. Then write date and day at the top of your page. Then give the heading of numbers in words from 101 to 110. Then write the place value number HTO and then write the number under it 101. Now look at her. She is writing with proper spacing. You have to give one finger or one block spacing between each word so that your work look very nice. 101, 102. You can practice 10 numbers each day so that you will be very good in it. That's how your work will look. If you think that one page is not enough, you can go to the next pages. Now let's have a closer look. Oh my gosh, it is such a beautiful handwriting, isn't it? She has written all the words very beautifully. Look, firstly she has written place value and then write all the numbers under the place value very nicely. She has put equals to sign and then write the spellings of numbers with one block space. And that's what is the secret of writing very beautifully. So I hope now Ali knew how to write numbers and words in a very beautiful handwriting. Even if there is one number is left, you have to write place value on the next page. So that's all for it today. I hope you have learned the lesson very well. It's time to say you thank you and goodbye.